Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Turtles Club. This is Xinle. In today's session, we'll continue the hide series. Today we'll talk about how to hide text from a cat command in the Linux. So cat command is a very common command we use every day, almost if we use Linux. So let's see how to hide some text in the cat command. All right, so assume we already have a working Linux environment. For example, here I have a Ubuntu 22 virtual machine on my Mac machine. In order to hide text from cat command, you will need to do some hex editing on a text file. So today I will demonstrate two ways of how to do it. So first, let's open the terminal. You can either click this icon or hit Control Alt T. So let's open the terminal and let's make it bigger and make it bigger over here. And so first you want to install the Bless application. So let's do sudo apt update to update your apt package. After typing the password, it's starting to update the package list. And then I'll clean the terminal. And so next we'll install the Bless. So sudo again apt install Bless and -y, meaning that I won't need to confirm. All right, so hit enter. It will install the Bless application for me. All right, so after the installation, I can clean the terminal again, and let's do the Bless. All right, so as you can see, it's opening a GUI interface. You can click here to create a new file. As you can see that this is a typical hex editor. On the left-hand side, this is the address. In the middle, it will be the hex version of the text. And on the right-hand side, it will be the text itself. So first of all, we will type in some regular text, and we will see how we can hide it. So first, we will type the hidden message. So this is a hidden message. All right. And then we will need to type something else in order to cover it. So let's say Titan Turtles is a great club. All right. Okay, so let's save it. Control S and find a folder which is a turtle over here. Let's type hidden.txt and hit save. All right, now we have this file. Now we want to hide the first sentence. So what we do is we will select the end of the first sentence. So as you can see, this 2E stands for the full stop, and 20 stands for this space, and this 54 is the starting of the next sentence, which is capital T. So we will add something here, which is 0D, okay, and which is a carriage return. And the carriage return is different than a normal line break. It will go back to the beginning of this line, but it doesn't go to the next line. So what it does is it will go back to the beginning of this sentence, which is this is a hidden message. It will go back to here, and to continue print the rest. So it will continue print Titan Turtles is a great club. So this Titan Turtles is a great club will cover this is a hidden message. So let's save it. And so we can switch back to the terminal. You can click this button here. And so let's Control C to stop the Bless and clear the terminal again. So what we can do is we can cat hidden.txt. And as you can see that we can only see the Titan Turtles is a great club. We don't see this is a hidden message. But if we do some other command, for example, od -c hidden.txt, we can see that everything is here. This is a hidden message. Titan Turtles is a great club. All right. So yeah, this is how we can hide a message from the cat. So we can create it in another way. So somebody doesn't have the GUI interface at all. So what we can do is so first we will clear it, and what we can do is we can use Vim. All right. So Vim hidden one txt. All right. So we don't have the Vim installed. So let's install the Vim. Same thing, sudo apt update. All right. So let's clear the terminal and sudo apt install Vim. Okay. Yes. It will take a while. So I know somebody doesn't really like Vim, but when you can survive Vim, it's very easy to use a text editor. And so I will spend another session just to talk about Vim. After you install the Vim, so let's type Vim hidden one.txt. All right, so you have a whole screen to you to edit the Vim. All right, so the first thing, same thing, we will edit the text itself. So let's hit I to change it into insert mode. So let's type this is a hidden text. All right, and the next one is a Titan Turtles Club is great. Okay, all right. So after we're done, we can hit escape to come back to the control mode. So over here, we can't edit hex over here. So what do is we use the command colon percentage exclamation and xxd space dash g2. All right. So now we are changing the format into a hex editor. So what I did is this colon is talking to the Vim that I'm about to write a command. And this percentage means that the command will apply to the whole text message. And then exclamation means that we will use a third party command to manipulate this text, which is xxd with the dash g2 command. The display is very similar to Bless, and on the left is the address, in the middle is the hex, and on the right hand side is the plain text. So as you can see, this is 2e. 2e stands for the dot over here, and the 0a stands for the space over here. So I will change this 0a to 0d. So over here, let's add 0d. Okay. We don't need to worry about the plain text part. We only take care of the hexadecimal part. After you edit this text, what you can do is you escape from the insert mode by typing the escape key. Afterwards, we'll switch back to plain text editing mode. So we'll use the colon again, percentage, and then exclamation, xxd, space, dash r, hit enter, and you can see we come back to the pure text editing. And over here, we'll see some weird thing, which is it's a hat and the capital M, which represent the carriage return we just inserted. Save it and exit. So hit escape, colon, X, and hit enter. So we already added this file. So what we can do is we can cat this file again, txt. Yeah, you can see that we only see the Titan Turtles Club is great, but nothing else. So if we want to see the details, we can use xxd-g2 and hidden one.txt. You can see the whole file is still there. All right. So thank you everyone, and hopefully you have fun. And remember, this is a Titan Turtles Club, and I'm Xinle. Thank you.